I just get so excited about going out to paint. It's like I can't sleep. I wake up without having to use the alarm. I'm thinking about hopefully getting there at the right point in light of the day. I've kind of learned over the years not to bring too many assumptions to the canvas.
Hi everybody, I'm Kathleen Dunphy. Welcome to my studio and my art world.
In her groundbreaking 2-volume video series, Kathleen shares the practical exercises and studio methods that have made her one of today's most sought-after landscape painters and instructors. In Volume 1, Kathleen takes you into the field for 4 powerful exercises designed to build your artistic muscles.
We're not so much concerned with the end result, we're concerned with what we learn along the way. So hopefully these exercises will push you a little bit, teach you a little bit, and then you can take all of those skills that you learned and your next finished painting that you work on will be even better.
Then, in Volume 2, Kathleen reveals her unique approach to creating vibrant studio works that maintain the excitement of plein air painting.
Studio painting for me is not just copying a plein air painting. There's nothing wrong with doing that, but for me, I really like to create something brand new in the studio. It keeps me engaged and it keeps me interested in the work as I go along. So I'll show you my process for using my outdoor studies as a jumping off point to create something new and different in the studio.
Whether you're struggling with compositional challenges, searching for more expressive brushwork, or simply wanting to infuse your studio work with the energy of plein air painting, Kathleen's approach offers a refreshing new path forward.
The best thing about art is finding your own path. It's taking all of this information from all these disparate sources, mixing it all together, and coming up with your own thing.
Each video is available separately, but for the complete learning experience, choose the Ultimate Collection with both volumes.
These practices have helped me as an artist grow, and I'm really looking forward to sharing them with you.
Visit painttube.tv today and take the next step in your artistic journey with Kathleen Dunphy's landscape painting video series.